Hey my loves, welcome and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I decided to take you guys along with me to show you what a typical productive routine for me kind of looks like. So I just wake up. Days like this are rare, so I spend longer hours praying. I will let you guys know what I mean by that. I spend longer hours with God on days like this. Then I just get into just making my bed, because I tell you, if I don't make my bed immediately I wake up, I'm not gonna do it again. So I just set my bed and just set myself up for the day. Sometimes I talk to my teddy. Yeah, I can't even believe it. It's weird, but I talk to my teddy sometimes. I've been loving this one. Meanwhile, let me know in the comment section if you play and talk to your teddy sometimes. So I pretty much just get into laying my bed and setting it up. And hold on guys, who else struggles with their bonnet not staying put on their head at night? I struggle with that. This bonnet just sleeps like my bed partner and not covering my hair, okay? I just get into making my bed. I also always have my laptop on my bedside, just because I sleep off maybe while working on a paper, or just like watching a video, or just seeing something with my laptop. So I just pretty much get into laying my bed, because like it kind of sets me up for the day really well. It's not even cliche, but it just makes me know, okay, I have done something for the day and the day kind of rose for me. I then change into my house outfit so I can get into the chores that I have to do for the day. I also change the air fresheners in my room just in case they are running out. And once my room is set, I make sure that I'm following my content schedule, which I had written the night before, and I join service online because today is Sunday.
And say to this one, go, and that one, come, and that one will come. You can also say to this sickness that my servant has, go, and that sickness will go. See the inference that I drew from that. Are we still together, please? Hallelujah. That was the implication of what the centurion said.
So once I'm done with my oral care, I get into the kitchen to fix myself a quick breakfast, which usually would be a cereal or like just fried eggs, or like something really quick. Today I had to fix myself just a bowl of cereal, and I just have that and get back into church service and also kind of tracking my day. And I use the opportunity to also plan my week, because today is Sunday. If you guys remember, I said that days like this are rare for me, which means it's a Sunday, okay? As a student, I tend to work every weekday, so Sundays are the days that I kind of get to have more time to myself. So I get to plan my week and do every other thing that just kind of revolves around me and setting myself up for the week. Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is your first time dropping by, you're welcome. Mara here. I'm a Nigerian who is currently living and studying in Canada. I love to make lifestyle content and immigration tips and all those good stuff in between. All right, so you guys are welcome to my channel. Today I decided to film like a typical day in my life. Today is Sunday, so it's like almost a typical Sunday in my life. All right, so every Sunday I kind of have like two routines. Like it depends if I'm going to church, but days that I'm at home, like today, a couple of vlogs back, I told you guys that I had flu. I just started to do online because somehow I'm not about to expose myself and also expose people to the risk of like the flu that I have. So I just started to stay back home, and I saw it as an opportunity to also kind of carry you guys along and show you guys what my typical Sunday looks like. So I hope you guys have been enjoying the vlog so far. So right now I want to get into the kitchen and clean the kitchen and cook. All right, so I have my friend coming over today. She's also a YouTuber, Yemisi. She's coming over today because we have a video to film. We're supposed to film last Sunday, but we both weren't just up for it, and I had flu. Like that was when my flu was intense, so we couldn't film. I had to just sleep all day that day. So today she's coming over just in case she wants to eat. So I'm going to make maybe pasta, I don't know, something quick. But I also wanted to show you guys just before I start cleaning, this is a brand called Joy Mop. Okay, so they sent me, so it says squeeze flat mop and bucket system here, and honestly I'm looking forward to this. I'm going to unbox it with you guys, and then we're going to try fixing it. All right, so it comes in this box. This is what it looks like. Okay, so I'm going to try fixing it. I don't even think you need to do too much. Whoa, so sleek. It says Joy Mop, which is super cool. I really love it. And now I'm gonna try to figure out how to use this. Actually, I don't even think it's hard. Inside they have the mop stick. I can already see they have the mop stick, which I just have to fix. In here again, they have the mop itself, and this is so sleek. Gosh, this is really so sleek. I love it. Like, and it came in one of my favorite colors, gray. Whoa. Okay, and this is what the inside looks like. I'm going to try setting it up, and I'm going to show you guys how I'm gonna use it and when I use it. Thank you so much, Joy Mop, for sending me this. Like, this is gonna be an absolute obsession for me. I'm going to carry you guys along with my cleaning routine. Like, guys, this apartment, we have like cleaning schedule, we have like cleaning routine. I made it because we gotta clean and we have to hold ourselves accountable. So I made a cleaning roster. Long enough. Oops. It's kind of like clips in. I don't know if you get what I mean. So all we need to do is to add some water in here, and you can actually take this out. I figured that you can take this out. I need to figure out how I take it out. Yep. So yep, you can just lift this one, and you just pull it out. Interesting. So you just add water here. This part says wash, which is where you like put the mop to get to wash it, and then this is where you dry it to start mopping. It just makes a lot of sense. If you guys noticed, I didn't change the cooker foils for this one. We actually rarely use them because like they are the smaller ones. This is one we use like all the time. See how messy this one looks. So you can actually get this from the superstore. It comes for this type of range, this type of gas. It's not gas now, it's cooker, right? Which you find in older apartments. Okay, newer apartments do not use this type of range system anymore, right? So let's get into the other things I have to do in this kitchen today. So I actually just realized that it even came with extras, like extra mop pads. Look at like, and it also has a service card, like that's like instruction manual in it. I didn't even honestly need to read this because this stuff is just so easy to use and just like basic. It just feels like your common sense will tell you what to do with it. But for people that might struggle with it, you have a manual that is just going to tell you how to do it. This is the wash. You just put it into the space of the wash and it absorbs the water that I already have in there. Then you just put it in the dry space and it just takes it all the water out. I am scared for the amount of dirt that is gonna come out on this floor. Can you guys see this? Like, this is the amount that this actually gets out. It's impressive. Guys, I'm so tired and my nails almost broke, but for this white material life that I live, I want to go take a shower. So let's get into my shower routine. This is gonna be my first time filming shower routine, so
Soften up the mess. Drop it in the water, let the daughter find an image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe. Spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind. Hold her hand. And don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley. Pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch and breathe. Like the angels do, and you gon' make it through. Tell about the healer. Greater is the one within her, calling out the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky. And never wait upon the giver, live the liver like a dealer. Take her higher, higher. Fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher. Fly up out the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running. Show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up. You're with the army. Ready when the truth act up, nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof, I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lion's den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire then. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways. But it's harder on the cold days. Cold days. Never been a product of a flawless environment.
Hey, introduce yourself. My name's all those funny people.
Hi guys, my name is ℙ𝕤𝕤𝕤.
Yeah, guys, this is ℙ𝕤𝕤𝕤. I told you guys that she was coming and we were shooting a video. So she just finished shooting a single sit down videos. Like,
see the way she looks beside me.
Don't mind,
like house there.
Don't mind this lady.
This is what you get when your friend is a makeup artist. Like, she didn't look in less than how many minutes.
Don't worry, next time maybe you guys should
next one.
I don't know why.
Do you know since when we've been procrastinating
this video? But maybe next time, like, we're going to do a get ready with me where I get to do your makeup. I'm very serious, like, and we are going to chat. So we want to shoot a sit down video, guys. I feel sick, like I'm actually sick, and at this point I don't know if I can carry you guys along for the rest of the day, but let's see.
You guys should watch Mara's video. She's doing a lot for you guys, though. A lot. She will come, we'll be on the phone for hours. She's trying to arrange, like she's trying to arrange how she will talk and, you know, give you guys the best quality, whatever. So please watch her videos.
Please watch.
Yeah,
please.
I can see her going around using camera everywhere. Say, hey, even me, I don't do this.
But like, ℙ𝕤𝕤𝕤 does a lot of sit down videos. Like, if you're interested, if you're already in Canada and you're looking to maybe transition, maybe from student to work, from work to PR, like, she has a lot. In fact, like, let me tell you guys something. For me, like, I'm ℙ𝕤𝕤𝕤's friend, but trust me, anytime I need any information from her, I go watch her video. After watching her video, if I don't understand something, I'll say, babe, this one you said, I don't understand it. So, like, why I'm even saying this is because I see a lot of people do it. Like, you just reach out to people and you just start asking questions without watching their videos. Like, I feel like that's a bit rude. Like, not rude, like, it's your choice, but like, I feel like the video of 25 minutes, the person said a lot. You get, you're going to get more information from whatever they're going to tell you in like 2
and I
minutes
always
call.
tell people, a lot of the videos I've done in the past, I might not even remember because it's not as recent as, you know, I had filmed it.
And like, she does so much research to sit down and do her videos. Like, I was telling her today, I'm like, how do you even do it? She was like, as in, funny enough, I don't like research, but I do it because I know that people need this information. I just want to be able to help.
I actually don't like research. I run from anything, thesis program, thesis courses.
I'm telling you. So you guys go watch ℙ𝕤𝕤𝕤's sit down videos. She does sit down videos. I don't do much of that, but I want to start soon. Hopefully,
this life is for inspiration. Me, I'm trying to vlog more. She's trying to sit down. Okay, anyway, please check out our videos. Thank you.
So we're going to shoot a sit down video right now, and you guys are going to probably see it before this vlog or whatever, but make sure you watch. Don't say
next.
Hey, I say a prayer when I wake up in the morning. Lord, I need you now. Lord, I need you now. Yeah. When I'm with you, you got me feeling like I'm soaring high above the clouds.